think mindfulness is a great thing to learn about, especially in nowadays, the modern society. We are all very stressed out. Mindfulness has been popular for the past 2 decades on how to deal with stress, how to deal with physical health, so it's very useful. Mindfulness is great for spirituality in terms of self-growth, how to be a better person. I will focus on several things. One, I will talk about what mindfulness is in popular psychology or popular definition. But then I will also talk about mindfulness in a more traditional sense, especially from a more classical Zen perspective. And not only we're going to talk about mindfulness, we will be also doing some hands-on practice on mindfulness meditation.